Hi, this is an unboxing video of a deep tissue massager from Costco. It retails for about 99 US dollars, and right now this is on sale for about 79 US dollars. So this one came in this box. It's a really decent box, um, decent sturdy box. Have two zippers on it, and the equipment is inside this box. So let's open the box. So once we open the box, then it has um, the gun in this box, and then it's wrapped in this polythene bag, and then there is this box. Looks like it has some stuff in it, maybe some tools, and then there's a charger in here, I think, which you can use to charge your massager. And what else? Let me take this out. And then there is this net thing on the other side of the box, and it has like some pamphlets in it. Let me take this out. So some details about how to use it. I think so that the charging cable goes on the bottom, and then looks like it has some kind of attachments that you can attach to the head. And then on the back side, looks like it has a display where you can see some details, or don't use it on your head. And then on the other side, I think for each attachment it tells you where to use the attachment, and then the impact of the attachment on the muscles. Yeah, so okay, so let me take this polythene bag off this massager. Okay, so once you take it off this, it looks nice. It's sturdy to hold. Let me do a close-up. So it looks like there's some power button on the back. Then I think some attachment goes in here as well. And then there are some details on the bottom. So okay, so it looks like the charging cable goes on the bottom, and there's a switch, on and off switch, on the back. So let me put this down, and then let's open the box which has the attachments. Okay, so let's see. The box is sturdy as well, so this is really good. So you have at least a place to store all those, so that you don't lose any of them. Okay, so there are a bunch of these attachments. This looks like they are made of some firm plastic. So let's go to the other ones. This one has some kind of a, looks like some kind of a ball kind of it. It's not that stiff. Let's go to the other one. There's a smaller ball, and then okay, there's another one. What else we got? So this one has two heads. This one is more flat on the bottom. And there's this bag. It has some rubbery stuff on it, some kind of rubber. Okay, so let's put some of them back, and then we can try to put one on the gun and then see how it works. So I think if in order to attach this, you have to push the attachment on this side of the gun. So I think this was in, this one is in. So now let's say turn this one on. So you turn the switch on and I think it lights up. So you can see the light on the bottom, and on the back I think it also lights up. I think this number, the 96 that it's showing is the battery life, so that you can, so it gives you an indication when you need to charge the massager. And then I think this is the power button, so let me turn it on. Okay, okay, so these numbers are the levels, the charging, the massage levels. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it looks like it has 6 levels on the massage. Oh, it's pretty sensitive as well. It's a decent hold in your hand. I think it feels pretty sturdy. Okay, so let me turn it on. Okay, so to turn it off, you just have to turn this switch on the bottom, and I think the lights goes off. I have used this on my back and then on back of the neck. I think it's a decent gun, and I think it relieves the tension. Let's say if you sit all day on a computer, or you are an athlete or something, right? So I have seen it work really good. So it's a good buy. And also this one is on sale at Costco. It's retailing for $79 US. So it's a good buy. So I think that's all about this massage gun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and then consider subscribing for future videos. Thank you once again. Bye.